here they are. These are little half Seabright, half Cerama Bantam chicks. And they are almost 2 months old. They'll be 2 months on the 30th of April. And they're so cute. There's 9 of them, and they're all different colors. Kind of hard to see all their colors right now, but some of them have the Seabright ticking, as you can see, and some of them have like more of a golden ticking, and some of them are black and white. It's hard to tell. And they're bedding down for the night. They run around free. They're free range, and they're doing great, healthy, happy. Good night, babies. Good night, little chicks.